Okay, we are at the main assembly site of a brand new Komatsu PC3000-6. And as you can see, to assemble an excavator of this size, you need a big open area. Full assembly of this machine will take approximately 1 month to complete before the machine is ready to dig. Now let's go and take a closer look at some of these parts. This particular PC3000-6 was ordered in backhoe configuration, and right here you can see the boom section. And next to the boom, here you can see the stick section. Right here is the riser for the cab. Inside of this compartment, located below the cab, is the electronic room. This is the fuel tank module that you see right here, and it also contains a built-in access stairway, which you can see right here, which allows the operator to get up to the cab. And right here, you can see the main car body section on this machine. The center frame on the PC3000-6 is an H-type, and each one of the 2 crawlers on this machine will attach to the car body by 38 high-torque bolts. From here you can get a better view of where the car body section will connect to the side of the crawler frame. Each one of these massive crawlers measures 26 feet in length and 7 feet 1 inch in height. This particular machine was ordered with the wider crawler pads, which measure 39 inches across. Each crawler consists of 3 top rollers and 7 bottom rollers to support the 46 linked crawler shoes. And right here is the main superstructure and power module section for the PC3000-6. Here you can see the 3 main hydraulic pumps, and like all of Komatsu's large hydraulic mining excavators, the PC3000-6 is Cummins powered, and here you can see a brand new Cummins QSK38 V12 diesel engine. And on the back of the superstructure, you can see where the counterweight will connect. And right here, on the front of the machine superstructure, is where the boom section of the attachment will connect. A lot of the smaller components, such as hand railings and ladders, and even the cab, which you can see right here, are shipped overseas from Germany in large crates. Inside of this crate, here you can see some of the smaller components that get placed on this machine, such as the exhaust mufflers, the air cleaning unit, and here you can see various railings and walkways. Here you can see some hydraulic hoses and hand railings, On the side of this crate, you can see where it says Komatsu America Corp, made in Germany. And inside are the covers for the travel motors. And last but not least, you can see the counterweight section. And on the back, you can see where it says Komatsu.